In today's episode, we take a closer look at the talented actress and singer Maya Hawke. Known for her breakout role as Robin Buckley in Stranger Things and her work in films like Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, Hawke has quickly become a notable figure in Hollywood, often recognized for her unique personality and candid interviews. So, is Maya Hawke gay? Let's find out. Maya Hawke is the daughter of actors Ethan Hawke and Uma Thurman. She grew up with parents who were open about their own experiences in the industry. Her career took off after joining the third season of Stranger Things, where her character, Robin, was revealed to be a lesbian, a storyline Hawke championed and embraced. She also has a burgeoning music career, known for her introspective lyrics. Is Maya Hawke gay? Maya Hawke identifies as bisexual. She has been open and comfortable discussing her sexuality in interviews. In a 2024 interview with the New York Times, Hawke confirmed her bisexuality and shared that she identifies as a late bloomer, explaining that while she had experiences with both boys and girls growing up, she came to understand her sexuality more fully later on. She has also mentioned that her mother, Uma Thurman, encouraged her to explore her sexuality and find comfort in it. As of now, Maya Hawke is busy filming the final season of Stranger Things and working on new music. She maintains a relatively private dating life, but has been publicly linked to various men and women. Her focus remains on her acting and music careers, where she uses her platform to be an authentic voice for her generation. Maya Hawke has transformed from the daughter of a famous couple into a celebrated, independent actress and artist who is open about her identity. Her story is a powerful example of living authentically and using her platform to foster open conversations about sexuality and identity. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on iconic stars and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.